if you want to learn how to make this delicious meal from the Dollar Tree, then what? Keep watching this video. Okay, my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. So yes, as I stated before in my previous video, I told you guys that I went to the Dollar Tree and I bought some items. So these are the items that I bought. I'll be using the jambalaya mix, the lentils, and the sauce here, and also the tortillas. I'll be making some burritos, and you can also use these to make tortilla chips as well, and I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. All right, my healthy people, so I have my lentils. I'm about to wash them, and then I will cook it for 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm here with Ava, and we're gonna make some tortilla chips because she's been asking for these. We have 5, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my coconut oil spray, and if you have vegan butter already, you can also use that as well. Any plant-based butter is perfectly fine. All right, so we're gonna use our coconut oil spray. Ava, go ahead, spray it all over. All right, just kind of spray like that on one side, and then you're gonna flip it and then spray the other side, and we're just gonna continue to do that with all of them. All right, so we sprayed all of them, all 5, and now we're gonna cut them, right? So I'm gonna use my knife and I'm gonna cut this across like that. Don't cut your fingers, that's what Ava said. And then
I'm trying to not get my mama hurt.
Cross again. Oops. All like this.
Ooh, that looks.
And then it depends on how small you want your chips. You can cut it one more time here.
It's like a pizza. It's like
Right?
a pizza.
Cut them up. So now we're gonna show you what we're gonna put on top and put in the oven. While this is happening, please have your oven preheated at 350 degrees. So to make our topping, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of, what is this? Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
I also have some cane sugar. You can use coconut sugar as well. I can't find my coconut sugar, so I'm gonna use my organic cane sugar, and this is the one from Trader Joe's. You can use what you have. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoon.
1.5 tablespoon.
We're just gonna mix this around just like that. You wanna mix it? Go ahead. Very slowly. So now that we've mixed our cinnamon and our sugar, once again you can use coconut sugar. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna lay these out, and then we'll be right back. Let's lay them out, Ava.
Yeah.
Okay, so just do one top of the other, like that, just like that, and we'll be back once we're finished laying these out. We started sprinkle our cinnamon, so this is pretty much how you do it. It doesn't have to be sugar and cinnamon. You can do different spices if you want, but once again, this is what my kids are requesting, so they make for a nice little snack for the kids. We're going to flip them, and then we're gonna do all of these, and then we're gonna put these in the oven. All right, my healthy people, so my lentils are cooked and it's all done. This is my second batch because the first batch burnt. So 350 for 7 minutes, and that's it. And actually it could be 6 minutes in the oven at 350. So make sure you watch them. This is what it looks like. They are delicious. The kids love them. They already started eating it. This is why we have all this space on the mat. So let them cool before you eat it. Now let's move on with the continuation of this delicious meal. So I'm gonna make my jambalaya now. So I'm just gonna cook it as per the cooking instructions, and then I'll be back. You can just follow the instructions. It's on the back. It says 2.5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Then we're gonna add the rice inside of it, and then bring that to a boil again, and then we should be finished. So, okay, my healthy people, let's see what this looks like. Very nice. All right, so this is our rice here. All right, so I like to heat my tortilla up a little bit, just get it a little warm. All right, my healthy people, so dinner is ready. Let's go ahead and assemble our burrito. I'm gonna have some rice, jambalaya. Hey guys, if you love what you see so far, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going to add my lentils, packed full of protein and fiber. Let's just go ahead and add some of this sauce right on top. Just right out of the jar, just like that. Simple, easy, delicious recipe. So let me try to do this, huh? I really want to go like this. Tuck it under, fold it in the sides. Looks like I have a lot. I'm trying. Fold it in the sides, and then tuck it under one more time, just like that. But I may have put a lot inside of it, and then I will have that with a few of my tortilla chips, just like that. Go ahead and cut this without having everything spill out. Dollar Tree meal, simple and easy. Okay, my healthy people, I'm hoping you enjoyed this delicious Dollar Tree meal. It was simple and easy to make. Okay, my healthy people, I hope you enjoy this delicious meal from the Dollar Tree. Tried my best to make it as healthy as possible. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. If you love the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Say it with me. Go on. You know what it is. Stay healthy.